So the first thing you got to do, we got to get these fairings off, or at least loosen them up so we can get to everything. So let's do that so we can get this in. Whole lot easier up on a bike stand, so let's get it up on the stand. All right. Tab here, tab here, here, here. Pull this out. Decide to take the fairing off instead of just pulling it out. Can't do this with one hand. There's a filter right there. Kind of dirty, but there's the drain. Get an oil pan, loosen up the oil fill. So open the oil plug, let that drain your oil. I put a little aluminum foil on my hood hitters so when I'm taking off the oil filter, sorry you can't see, when I'm taking off the oil filter, oil doesn't drip down on the hitter. I hate that smell and it's just unnecessary cleanup. I don't know what this exact size is, but 11/16 worked for me. Whoa, that was close. That drained for like 10 or 15 minutes. Put a new crush washer on, bolt back on. Get the oil filter off. See why you want the aluminum foil? See? You don't have to, but I usually wipe around this just to make sure it's nice and clean, no particles or anything stuck on it. Before I put the filter on. So I pour a little bit of oil in the oil filter so there's not a possibility of a dry start. And take a little bit of oil and wipe it around this gasket here. This is the oil. New filter goes on. And for the instructions, it's just hand tight. So whenever you feel it make connection, I just tighten a little teeny bit more, but it's hand tight. Meaning no tools or whatever. Take the bike back off the stand, put it on the kickstand, start it up for about 10 seconds to 30 seconds, and recheck the levels. You got the fans on because I can't move the bike to the driveway. You don't want the fumes up in the house. Put everything back on and get everything cleaned back up. Everything back on and cleaned up, and then you're ready to ride.